Alright, this is Hammer and Hatchet Engineering, back second try. So I've got the springs stuck in, I got the rubber band. I forgot to put this piston in and underneath the brake adjuster, so I had to take it all off again. So now I'm going to try again. This has been a real pain in the butt. The other side was a lot easier. And then I also put the brake shoe in backwards, so I'm definitely not batting 100 on this one. Or I should say bowling. So let's see if this will work. I'm sure there's a better trick. On American cars, I kind of recall the springs being on the outside, and this one has to be on the inside. Okay, so I got that. All right. That's it. I think I'm going to stop this video. I have to find my other tool. This is made for American springs. It just doesn't seem to want to work. So I'm going to try and get this spring compressed and turned, and it just doesn't want to fit in there properly. So, all right, this is Hammer and Hatchet Engineering, over and out.